In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist your IP address in Cloudways. If you manage servers on Cloudways, whitelisting is a simple but important way to control who can connect over SSH and SFTP. By allowing only trusted IP addresses, you reduce the risk of unauthorized access while keeping your workflow smooth. Start by signing in to your Cloudways dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and go to Servers. This is where all your servers are listed. Choose the server you want to manage so you're working in the right place. It helps to double-check the server name and region if you manage multiple environments, like staging and production. With the server selected, find the left-hand sidebar and click Security. This section is dedicated to access controls, and it's where you'll set up your whitelist for SSH and SFTP connections. Under the SSH/SFTP area, you'll see an option to block all IP addresses except those on the whitelist. Enable that setting. What this does is flip the default from open to closed, so only the addresses you explicitly allow can connect. Next, in the whitelist IP field, enter the IP address you want to allow. This is typically your current public IP. If you're unsure of it, you can check it with a quick, trusted search in your browser. Cloudways supports both IPv4 and IPv6 formats, and you can also add ranges using CIDR notation if your organization uses them. If your internet provider changes your IP from time to time, be aware you may need to update this list when that happens. For teams, each person who needs SSH or SFTP access should have their own IP added for clarity and security. After typing the IP, click Add. You should see it appear in the whitelist list. Don't stop there. Make sure to click Save Changes to apply the update. Both adding and saving are required. Otherwise, the whitelist won't take effect. From this point on, your whitelisted IP will be able to connect via SSH and SFTP, and other addresses will be denied unless they are also added. The change usually takes effect quickly. Keep in mind, this setting is specifically for SSH and SFTP access and doesn't alter your application-level permissions. That's all you need to securely whitelist your IP on Cloudways. Navigate to Servers, choose your server, open Security, enable the whitelist rule for SSH, SFTP, add your IP, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your server access locked down to only the people who truly need it.